All right. Here you are, the number.
Off my property right now. Get off. This is private property. Get the fuck off of it.
Sir, get out of my face.
Well, then get off my fucking property then.
Sir, step back.
Get off. I just talked to John Don Hendricks. Get the fuck out of here.
Sir, what is your name?
My name's Nick. My name's Nick Tilson. Get out. That's public right there. Let's stand up. Yeah, exactly. Get the fuck out of here. Don't come on here again. In fact, don't ever come on the Indian Collective property unannounced again, you motherfuckers. This is our fucking land, bitches.
The cops were on Indian reservation, and the laws enacted here are tribal laws which are different from states and federal laws. They are local laws and enforced by Native American populations within their territories. Tribal laws may apply to any person within the territory of a Native American population, whether or not that person is Native American.